Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be using the Conair rollers again, but this time I have 2 of them. So that means I have 24 rollers. So last time I only had 12. That was not enough for me. I need more, and I really wanted to give it another shot because they seemed so interesting to me. So yeah, let's get right into the video. I hope you guys are liking Vlogmas so far. If you are liking it so far, make sure that you subscribe. And even after Vlogmas, I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos, maybe twice a week, at least once a week. Also follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and check out my Instagram, show some love. And let's get right into this video. So I have been warming up both of my Conair rollers for a while now, actually for 13 minutes. I think that's more than enough. Let me start doing my hair. Oof, this is so hot. Ooh, you gotta work fast. Oh my god, this is so hot. Oh my god, this is burning my fingers. Okay, so the front, I'm gonna have to do it like this, because if not, it's gonna burn my face. So I'm just gonna have to do it like this. There you go. Yeah, I definitely think I'm gonna get a nicer look this time because I have more rollers. There you go. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna do this side. Okay, so I'm gonna clip it. There you go. Ooh, this gets so hot. I really wish it wouldn't get so hot. I would definitely be able to roll it nicer. And like my ear is like hot. I feel like I have no more space on my head because I have so many rollers, but I do feel like I'm going to get a nicer look. Okay, so this was the last one. It's kind of like hanging a little bit, but we're gonna wait an hour. It's 2:24 right now, so I'll be back at like 3:30. I'm gonna let these sit for an hour. I think that this time I'm gonna get a nicer look, so I'm super excited about that. I did actually end up using 20 rollers, so I still have 4 here. I feel like 20 was more than enough. I don't need more than that, and it was a lot more comfortable to do it this way, to do just the front pieces first, like these 2 first, and then the other ones kind of like on the side. So let's see how this turns out, and I'll be back in an hour. All right guys, I'm back. It's been about an hour, so I'm gonna take these off. As you can see, it's 3:17, so it's been about an hour. Maybe in like 10 minutes it'll be a complete hour, but I think that this should be enough time. We should be able to see a difference because I do have more rollers this time, and I actually let them warm up for a lot longer than the first time. So let's take them off. Oh wow, that's super pretty. Nice. Okay, this one's okay, but look. Look, yay, it's working. Okay, it's working. I'm excited. Okay, let's see this one. Yes, I'm getting some waves. Awesome. Let's see this one. Kind of have to like flip it a little bit, but wow, I'm getting a lot more volume than last time. How exciting. Look at that. That's so pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm gonna leave these for last. This is a big one. Look at that. That's so cute. I think we're doing good. Oh my god, I'm loving my hair. I'm loving it. It looks super healthy, super bouncy. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm so glad I tried this again. Oh my god. Look at that. That's so cute. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. What? Last one. It looks way nicer this time. I have more volume. I'm so excited. Like, you guys see all this volume that I'm getting? Like, it looks so nice. I'm gonna link this down below if you guys want to check it out. I totally recommend it. I hope you guys like this video. I wanted to give it another shot. I feel like this time I got really nice volume. I'm gonna put my hair to the side. Yeah, it looks really, really nice. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I definitely like it even more to the side. I think I got some really nice volume, and I actually really like these rollers. They're very affordable. I'm going to link them down below if you guys want to check them out. I hope you guys are liking Vlogmas so far. Make sure that you subscribe and check out my other Vlogmas videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye-bye.